Hi Cassie, can you help us make a button?
Absolutely. So there are 4 parts to making a button. You have your back. You have the top of the button. You have the image for the button. And you have a little clear topper for the button.
Okay.
Okay, so you have the button maker. You're going to take the back of the button and you're going to put it like so, even across.
So straight across.
Straight across.
And the part that you would affix to your shirt is facing down.
Absolutely.
Okay, now flip it.
You will turn it to the other side and you will take your last 3 pieces and you're going to put them in one by one. You have the silver part, you have the picture, which is going to be straight across, and then you will put the little plastic cover over it. You will then turn the machine, and here's where your muscle comes in. Nope,
Other way.
this way.
Flip
And
it
then you
again.
flip it, and you will do that one more time. And then you will flip it. And you have a button. You have a button.
And it goes straight across so it can go straight to your shirt the right way.
Right there.
Perfect. Thanks, Cassie.
No problem.